Hello friends, welcome to Trade Swings. Today I'm going to show you a unique day trading strategy. This strategy works so well and so simple. You can use this in the crypto market and the Forex market and make a handsome profit every day. Guys, this is a very simple strategy. It just required one indicator which will generate the signals to buy or sell. I'll show you in the market. I'll show you in the live example how it works for you and how you can set up the strategy every day. Now if you see, I'm in my trading view, okay, and here I've set a 5-minute time frame and the candlestick is Heikin-Ashi. Usually I use Heikin-Ashi to understand the trend of the market. Okay, so if you see, I'm in euro and USD pair, and here if you see, we just have to go into FX indicator of the type moving average. Okay, so we're gonna, for exponential moving average, will require EMA. Okay, so I'm gonna select this exponential moving average 2 times. Okay, once I select it 2 times, you'll see I'll get the EMA over here. I already have it, so I pick it on. Okay, 2 indicators, that is the same. Now if you see, I got 2 different colors. I'll show the settings for this. You go in settings of the EMA, and for one EMA I'll write 13 and the color I give is red. 13 and the color is red, that's it. And the other one, I go in the settings and I give it green color and I make it 10 moving average. These are the only settings you need to do, friends, and once you do these things, you'll see there will be 2 lines which will be shown on your charts. Now how to trade these lines? It's very simple, friends. If you see, the red line crosses over the green line. Okay, whenever the red line crosses over the green line over here like this, if you see the green is on top and the red is down, whenever the crossing happens, you need to short. Okay, whenever, if you see the red line is on top and the green line is down, you need to short. And whenever the vice versa happens, whenever the green line crosses the red, you need to take a buy trade. It happens in every trade, in every position. If you see, wherever you see the crossing happening, there's a very good trade you can get. Over here, if you see the green line is down, the red line is on top, as soon as the crossing happens over here, you get a very good trade. If you see a good rally over here, same thing happens in the other currencies. If you see, okay, over here, okay, if you see a trend, okay, now this is perfect. If you see the green on top and the red and down, whenever, if you see a crossing happening, you have to enter the same candle at the crossing, keep a stop loss below the previous candle low, and enter into the trade. If you see a very good rally of short you are getting in a day trade, you can do, sell over here. You can get a buying position over here like this. So it works. Now I show you in crypto and Bitcoin. If you see how it works in crypto, it's the same way. Now see, red on top, green on down, and then when the crossing happens over here, it gives a very good rally over here. Okay, so this is what you need to follow. See here, the green and red is crossing happen and you got a very good short sale. Okay, here if you see no crossing but still very good rally, the signal you need to wait for. Okay, wherever you get the signal, you can go ahead and do it. Now here, if you see so long rallies, you can see your green on top, red down, and crossing happen, and what a very good rally. Okay, so this is the strategy, friends. It's a moving average crossover strategy. Works well in day trading. Definitely you can test with different time frames like 1 day and 15 minutes or 5 minutes. It will give you the same results and works well. So how you like the strategy, please comment and tell me. Please hit the like button if you like the strategy, and definitely if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, friends. See you in the next strategy in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.